Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Problem number 30. The free body diagram of the wire is this point is B, C, A, and D, where this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. The dimensions is 60 millimeters and 80 millimeters, and this is L. So the required length of L for which part BCD of the wire is horizontal. So since x bar is equal to 0, so therefore summation x bar times L is equal to 0. So therefore negative 40 times 100 minus 40 times 80 plus L over 2 is equal to 0. So L is 120 millimeters. So note that due to the homogeneous of the wire, the center of gravity will be with the centroid of the corresponding line. The another note is that the center line of the wire should lie on the vertical line through the point C.